Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the duplicate items from other machines in Heartopia. So did you know in here in this game you can actually get duplicate items from the other machines? So normally you can order items like furniture or clothing on this machine, but with this machine each player can only purchase one of its item. For example, if you order maybe if you order this chair you can only get one. And if you want more of the same item, you normally have to wait until it appears in pop shops, which is completely random. But there's actually a little trick that will let you order the exact same items again. First, just order the item normally from the order machines on here. For example, maybe I want to order this chair, and then next just tap on order, and then just do order like usual. Use the order tickets like this, and then confirm order. And then in here you just need to wait until this item arrive. And then after that for the next step, uh, first in here just a disclaimer. In here I can't demonstrate every step right now because my order machine is still processing a delivery like that. But once yours arrive, here's what you need to do. Before purchasing the item, make sure your backpack is full on here. It's completely full. Make your backpack full on here, and this will cause the purchased item to be sent into your mailbox. This mailbox, your purchased item will be sent to this mailbox, and then do not claim the item from your mailbox yet. Just leave it there, and once the item is sitting in your mailbox, just go back to the order machines and you will be able to order the same items again. And just like that, you will get the duplicates items in this with this trick. And okay, that's how you can get the more than one copy of an item without waiting for bob shops using other machines. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.